will humble you. Humble. Messy nkile. Messy. Hey person watching this video, welcome to Candidate Chronicle. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've been thinking, and I thought, you know what? Maybe I should document my last year of high school. Form 5. So I wanted to document it by creating a different segment. I didn't just want it to be a part of my normal vlogs and stuff like that. So this segment on my channel is called Candidate Chronicles. And on this segment, I'll be showing you everything that happens in my life. Well, not everything, but everything that happens in my student life. So how I study my subjects. I take 9 subjects, by the way. I take maths, literature, extended maths, literature, English language, biology, chemistry, physics, computer science, drama, and French. Yeah, those 9 subjects. And I'm going to be showing you how I study each of these subjects, taking you along the journey, the highs of everything, the lows of everything, my prom journey, everything. Ibile mocks is starting soon. Mocks. So I really just wanted to document all of that. I don't necessarily have a plan as to how I want to show that, but yeah. Hey, I want to encourage and help other Form 5s out there as we go on this journey together, because IGCSE? What? Anyways, how I study maths. So maths is one of those subjects where it can either make or break you. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's either you know it or you don't know it. And it's either you enjoy it or you don't. Most of the time you enjoy it only when you understand. But it's just that kind of a subject. Yeah. So with maths, I started off, like earlier on in high school, I started off hating maths. I didn't like maths at all. I never understood it. It was just complicated after formula after formula, after this after that. And these days I've grown to like maths. And well, not these days, it's been a few years now. And like even today at school, I wrote a maths test, and it didn't even feel like a test. I didn't even feel the pressure, because I've started enjoying doing maths papers. I've started enjoying doing maths and learning maths, because it can be fun. When they said maths was fun, they weren't lying. You just have to find your way. You just have to find your best way. You just have to find how you study it the best, and you need to find how you study it the best, and you need to find out what works for you. Because I'm getting closer and closer to writing my final exams, I've been doing more past papers lately. Just printing out a copy for yourself. I've been printing out from various years, but mostly starting from 2015 until last year's papers, and you can get them on many websites. I think I'll put them on the screen somewhere. And then one thing that helped me a lot was making a maths formula mind map. And what that is was, well, it's just a mind map with maths formulas that I need to know. Usually they will come, I think they come on the front page of the official your IG paper, but I don't know if it's for commerce, because they're not on the past papers. I don't know. But anyways, in case they're there or not, flipping through the page to find that one formula and then plugging in the values will not help you. It will just waste your time. So what I did was I made a mind map. Basically, I wrote down all the formulas that I've learned throughout my whole high school career, all the formulas I've learned, And looking back at them, I look back at them to help me memorize, because I also label for, okay, this formula is for this is for this, and that is for that. It helps me organize a lot. Yeah. One other thing is to ask questions. I think what will help you like the subject is if you're open-minded about it. I used to be so close-minded about maths because it was this thing of, okay, I fail this paper, I keep failing. Maths is just not for me. But that's the wrong attitude towards maths, but not just maths, any subject actually. You should have a positive mindset towards them, regardless of whether you're going to take it in the future or not. Make your studies a game. The whole idea of me wanting to figure out the answer for this equation, for this question, is what is fun about it for me. As in, like, it feels like a game. It feels like I'm putting puzzle pieces together. It feels like I want to achieve a goal, and this whole writing the paper to achieve that goal is what helps me. For topics like circle theorems and things where you just need to know the concepts, like circle theorems are these type of questions. For topics like circle theorems, you need to just memorize all the circle theorems. Like I said, like write them down, put them on a mind map, just to make it easier for, and then after doing a past paper, or even after getting help from someone and after understanding, keep on practicing so that you get used to those type of questions, so that you get used to answering those type of questions, because you can understand something while you're studying, but if you don't practice it, it won't stay here, and then when you get into your test, it will humble you. Okay. One also important thing, if so at my school, the maths department prints out a scheme of work, and not a scheme, it's kind of like a syllabus, but it's not the IG syllabus, but whatever's on the IG syllabus, they simplified and put it in their own scheme. It's not just for maths, but also all my other subjects. Go to your teachers and ask for their teaching scheme, or check online for the syllabus to kind of just check off what you need to cover and what you've already covered, so you know how much you need to work and where to go from there. One last thing I need to mention is that you need to be consistent. At least try and practice one past paper a day, and also believe in yourself. You can do so much. No one will believe, the whole world can believe in you, but if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't believe in yourself and in your abilities, then it's worthless if you don't believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, even though things may be a little bit rocky, a little bit shaky. You can always achieve what you want if you set your mind to it. Always pray over your studies. Pray before you write a test. Pray before you study. Pray when you are feeling a bit rocky about a test, about an exam. Calm yourself down. You can do this. You really can. You can achieve so much. Believe in yourself. Work hard. Put that effort into it, and you shall reap the fruits of your reap the fruits of your labor. Practice makes perfect is okay, but I feel like taking it step by step, practice makes better, is the best way to go. There's always room for improvement. If you're sitting on a D grade for maths, don't push yourself to get to an A. Push yourself to get to a C, and push yourself to get to a B. You're not competing against anyone. You're competing against yourself. So practice makes better. Keep practicing so you better your grade until you reach the top. Don't compare yourself to other students. There will be other students or other people who will learn faster than you. There will be other people who learn at a different pace than you. You just silence that out. Silence it out and focus on yourself. Focus on what you should improve because you're competing only against yourself. I really do hope this helped you in one way or another. If you want more content like this, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.